If you're tired of throwing money into ads and hoping clients magically show up, there's a smarter and cheaper way to grow your cleaning business. Hey everyone, I'm Tina Servis with Lead Titan, and today I'm going to show you how getting more Google reviews can generate consistent organic, that's right, that's what I said, organic leads, and how you can automate the process with our smarter review request system that we use for our company and all our clients. Let's dive in. All right, so here's the issue. Most companies, they fall into a few different ad traps. So they're spending hundreds or even thousands on Facebook and Google ads. They're competing with big franchises with massive budgets, and they're getting leads who price shop and ghost you. It's exhausting, and honestly, you don't need it, especially if you master your organic authority. So I just want to say I've been in business for 18 years and we don't spend a dime on ads. I hate it. I don't want to do it. Every once in a while, I'm like, oh, I really want to spend some money on ads. And then I realize that I just got to keep doing what I'm doing to get that organic SEO, and it will work. Okay. All right. So why are reviews like your organic SEO superpower? Here's the secret. Google loves fresh, authentic reviews. They boost your rankings in the Google Map Pack, which is what I'm showing in the background here. They give social proof to new clients, and they increase your click-through rates. So when somebody clicks here and goes to your website, that's what they call a click-through rate. So that's organically helping your business get organic SEO. So I just want to give you a couple other examples here. Let's say we go and search for, I'm gonna search for house cleaning in Rochester. And then we'll go search a couple of different other things. So here you can see these are Google ads that people are paying for, and not just a little bit, they're paying a lot of money to show up here. And then you can see we show up number 3 in this list. Even though we have the most reviews, we're still showing up in the 3rd. This is where you want to show up. So every time somebody clicks on this, boom, it's getting you a push to your website, which is definitely helping your organic SEO. All right, so here's the crazy review requests that we've built out. I don't want to scare you, but basically what we do is we put this system in place for our clients, and we've had people get 135 reviews in less than like 3 weeks. We've had some clients get 40 in 60 days. It's all about building out trust and asking for people for those reviews at the perfect time. So what happens is when you put this automation in place, you can like double and triple your business without spending any money on ads. You get more reviews, that equals higher rankings, and then you're getting more clients. Again, no money on ads. All right, so how this review request actually works. So instead of sending out generic emails or begging for reviews after the fact, our system sends dynamic branded images, personal thank you videos, and friendly follow-up questions based on client satisfaction. So I just want to show you a couple of the different images that you can use here now. Let me go back and just show you one from my company, and it's kind of cheesy, not gonna lie. It's definitely a cheesy image, but you can see how many people click on it, right? This is all the total opens that we get from that cheesy photo. And anyhow, it's me just saying, hey there, would you please leave us a review with our branded logo down at the bottom. Now this there, where it says hey there, that's gonna change every time. So we call it dynamic coding. So what happens is when your client gets service, and let's say their name is Lisa, it's gonna say, hey Lisa, and then the next person it sends out to is gonna say, hey Tina, or hey John, or hey Joe. It's gonna change every single time that we send out a request. So there's a couple of different things here. I made this video because I am such a strong believer in Google reviews and how they help your organic rankings, that I want to offer anybody who sees this video and clicks on the link below, you can get a 14-day free trial of GoHighLevel, and you can have our smarter review request automation. And if you want, you can put it in play for yourself. You can go check it out if you're like the DIY kind of person who really likes to dig in and find out how all of this back end stuff works. Go check it out. And if you have questions, let us know. Or you can upgrade and take our course, which tells you how to put all of this stuff in play. Now there's about 5 to 6 different videos that show you how to do the image, and then we have dynamic videos. And when I say dynamic, it means it's going to change the name every time. And then we're going to teach you all the different like little tips and tricks that we use for getting more reviews for our clients. All right, but if you don't want to do the DIY and you want us to do it for you, we do offer that service. We have lots of clients, over 40 clients that are using our Smarter Review Request right now. And again, you can grab a link to our 14-day free trial. You can check out our GoHighLevel system, and you're going to get this Smarter Review Request automation where you can start plugging and playing today. All right, hope this video was helpful to you, and have a wonderful day.